Hi guys, this is Eddie from California. You're watching the Daily Guide.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving.
Sad. My family's all gone. Sylvie left late last night, or early this morning, 5 in the morning with V. My parents, my mom and my sister, I keep saying parents, I only have a mom, I don't have a dad. So my mom and my sister, Thomas and John, left the day before. I am back to my daily grind, and truly a daily grind, but this week's actually pretty interesting. I have a couple friends visiting. Oh shit, look! S2000! Hello, how do? First stop, Harbor Freight again for some more tools.
I don't give a damn, nigga, I'ma do me. The stickers equipped with the scope and the beam. I'm after your dreams, bitch, don't fall asleep, or you gon' wake up with some blood on your sheets. I'm off in the creek of the wall and crawling from the shadow.
HQ in 4K, check this out. All the escape room signs right here. Nice, nice, nice. They're in 4K again. Oh, ooh, that's a rough one. That's a rough one. Hey, check this out. This is the banner, right, Thomas? Huge ass big banner for the exterior. So imagine this banner on top of the escape room on the other building, all the way across. That's what? How big? How big did you measure it?
I think it's like 4 feet by 20 feet.
20 fucking feet. We got signage here, so when you win, 2 car lengths?
2 car lengths.
Shit. 2 GTRs. Behind you guys is the camera. So the part of the escape room, I can watch you guys from we've been calling this the bridge, the command center. We're both geeks. We're Star Trek guys, me and Thomas. So we're gonna sit here. We can watch you guys play it, so we can help you monitor it. If you guys need any help, we can tell you guys what we can help you with clues. We are so fucking close. I know I keep saying this every day, but every day I find something else I want to add to it, to add like more value to this place. And we yesterday, last night, I didn't film it, but we were adding a special controller that does some special stuff that I think you guys will like. What is it? You're just gonna have to come and play. If you guys are local, I feel bad for you guys that aren't local here, because it's a local business. You guys can't like buy it online, but oh my gosh, look at our signs. Escape room, baby. Hi. PP, you want me to change your diaper?
I already did.
Oh, why is he telling me to change your diaper? You're such a smart girl. Are you ready to have lunch?
Chair?
Chair? Okay, bye. That. An update for Tesla. Let's check out the new update. Please be something interesting. Okay, I'm gonna apologize first off if there's a refresh rate. You'll see a bunch of lines, vertical lines, but see speed limit mode, which we have already. Basically, you can set a max speed. Autopilot change is new on applying light force. Oh, the navigation is freaking badass. This is already, hey, there's no, oh, nothing. There's no new changes. These are previous release notes. Contain minors. Okay, minors okay. It's know what time it is. I couldn't leave you guys hanging without a little bit of a drift session. Drifting in 4K. Damn. That went so fast my phone fell off. Hey guys, this is gonna be a semi-comprehensive review of the crazy cart. Don't I sound like Casey Neistat? Love that guy, dude. He's so fucking awesome. On this review, we're gonna talk about the top speed. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, oh yeah, the new car I bought today. Oh my god.
So overall, the crazy cart is tons of fun. Well worth the money. You can find it retail anywhere between 400 and up. I think as a crew, we definitely agree. It's like the value of fun is ridiculous. Consumables, like we have gone through a lot of front tires, a lot of caster wheels. So definitely have a budget for that. 1 battery is enough. If you want a lot more fun, 2 batteries is just enough. Charge time can be between 3 and 4 hours or a full charge, and then after that, it's about 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe of fun. But we ride really hard. It's pretty much full throttle or no throttle. Did you buy a new car? Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Hey, so there's this rumor going around that you bought a new car, huh? This carbone. Del carbon. See where this rumor's coming from, but supposedly John bought a Type R. Coincidentally, it's right here. John, all this carbon is fucking nice, bro. Damn, look at this carbon on this right here. So nice. Like, are these stocks? Stock wheels?
All stock.
Stock, like a little bit wider would be really nice. Just a little bit wider.
Can you believe that though? It pulls off 20s that free.
That's so nice. I love the red pinstriping on it. Full spoiler. Type R. Already has the fins in the back. At least it's not in the front like the other guy. Scoop is like the Evos. They look like the Evo hood scoop. Lights though? My goodness. Those are nice headlights. Those fog lights. Damn, I'm speechless. It's so nice. Side vents right there. The little scoops on the side. The fenders. Ooh. Sex. Pure sex. I'm just rushing home. I'm gonna hit the gym first, and then I'm gonna go. I guess we're going out tonight. With who? You gotta wait and see. But I gotta hit the gym because I'm getting fat. I'm not exaggerating. Come here. You want to show people my shoes today? I'm super hyped. These guys, watch this. Bam! Oh my gosh. NMD babes. Oh my gosh. Baby, your papa's super hype beast right now. What you think? What you think, baby? What you think? Charging at home is a must. Oh my gosh, makes life so much easier. So right now we are getting ready to take off to the city of Fountain Valley. We're supposed to meet Omar, drop Aaliyah off first, and then we're having dinner with Iris. Is like one of her old friends from like high school, like super long ago. She's a singer, super cool people. You guys want to come? You want to come? You can come. You want to get in the car? You want to come with me? Let's go. Papa should get you some camels. Come on. Some camel shoes, yeah. Oh, come here. Come here. What's up, what's up? Where you going? You wanna go in the car now?
Send me the nigga, I take him to school. Teaching them games and showing them flames. Now they know the name, I'm whipping the grain. I've been in the game, giving them hell till they know the name. Puffing the smoke, now I'm high as a plane.
We're at grandparents' house. Say hi, we're gonna leave you here.
Hi.
Is that okay?
Bye.
Bye.
That's good. We'll see.
I love you.
Practical. Hi, that's Tito pa.
Man, what's up, man? Homie? What's up, homie? What's up, Dap? Dap, what's up, millennials?
I really thought you were the guy in the truck.
Like this trying to warn me. They know I got demons all on me.
Seen the party video with Omar? Click. Suck it, Omar. Alright, lights out. He's gonna buy one of these. White interior?
No, I think I'm gonna do dark. Dude, I wear raw denim and it rubs off on the seats. I'm not as millennial as you. I can't wear sweats all day long.
You wear joggers all the time.
No, I don't.
Every time I met you.
At my house. Yeah. You must have me confused with Scott.
Yeah, all Asians look alike. We're not Asian.
Yeah.
Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. Just a flow that got the
City of Fountain Valley. Checking out this spot right here.
There's no way you're punking people go, yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass and doing this. I'm gonna send that email and I'll be with you guys.
It's a dream. Blunt roll tight. Who got the lean? Two turned up. Who do it like me?
Tequila, whiskey.
All right.
Was it whiskey? This is 25 ingredients.
Oh, can we? Let's
Brandy and red wine.
Send it to me.
Why do you have a? Let me see. Let me see. How do you?
I don't. The man said concentrate.
Shut up and vibe.
It's actually super nice, by the way. Show you guys. I'm staying here till closing apparently. They turn on the lights on us. I think Omar should give up this car. Get a Tesla. One of these.
room is genuinely scary. I mean, I got chills just like walking through slow.